Welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Menon, and my name is Rishi. So today please subscribe and let's go forward with the new Microsoft Surface Computer 6. So guys, this is the 2019 model, I think so, or 2018. I'm not so sure, but I bought this to check out if it's better than the iPad latest model. So let's find out. It has lesser pixels than the iPad, and it also has two speakers on each of the side of the Microsoft Surface 6. It is probably used for, or can we say mainly used for, school purposes or office purposes. So this, guys, is a magnetic charger for the Microsoft Surface 6, and with it is an AC cord, I think. And in the magnetic charger you can charge any other stuff you want. This is some instructions given along with the Microsoft Surface 6. So guys, let's open it up. There is a stand. There's an infinity stand which can be put at any angle, and we can view the videos at any angle. So guys, I'm gonna turn it on any moment now. So let's check it out.
A touch of Wi-Fi there and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do along the way. And if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen reader. Press the Windows, Control and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Let's dig in.